friends, welcome back to another session of MCQs on your favorite channel Shakuntlam Classes. And today we are going to discuss questions from History Pedagogy for B.Ed second year. So starting with the first question, what are the three dimensions of education? Option A, teacher. Option B, student. Option C, curriculum. And option D, all of the above. So the correct answer for this question will be all of the above. Coming to question number 2, who is the father of history? Nothing can be easier than this question for all the history students. Option A, Simpson. Option B, Leopold von Ranke. Option C, Sir John Marshall. And option D, Herodotus. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, that is Herodotus. Coming to question number 3, the word history is originated from which language? Option A, Latin. Option B, German. Option C, Greek. And option number D is French. So again, the very basic question, and the answer is option number C, Greek. Coming to question number 4, what is the meaning of the word curriculum? Option A, race. Option B, course. Option C, syllabus. And option D, none of the above. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, none of the above. The meaning of the word curriculum is race course. Coming to question number 5, how many illustrations are used in history teaching? So there is a spelling mistake. Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 2. And option number D, 1. So the correct answer to this question will be option number C, 2. So there are two illustrations used in history teaching, that is oral illustrations and visual illustration. So what is an illustration? So basically illustration is a diagrammatic representation of something. When we want to explain something, we kind of do a diagrammatic representation. So that is called illustration. So the two illustrations are oral illustration and the visual illustration. In oral illustration, what we do is we present an example in a verbal form, while in the visual illustration we present things with an object, like the things which can be touched by the students, like pictures and diagrams or model, chart, globe, etc. Moving on to the next question. Questioning is a option A teaching method, option B, a teaching maxim, option C, a teaching technique, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer to this question will be option number C, a teaching technique. Questioning is a teaching technique. Coming to the next question, our textbook is a book prescribed for classroom use. Who said this? Again, I have told you that we have to be very careful with the statements and the definition given by the writers, as they will play a very important role in our exams. As we know, the question format for the B.Ed second year student is going to be in MCQs. So anything can come from the book. So do a thorough study and don't leave a single thing from your book. So a textbook is a book prescribed for classroom use, is said by option A John Dewey, option B T.P. Nunn, option C Herbert Spencer, and option D Bacon. So the correct answer will be option number B, that is T.P. Nunn. Coming to question number 8, evaluation is a option A continuous process, option B broad process, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option number C, both A and B. Evaluation is a continuous and a broad process. Coming to question number 9, the basis of curriculum construction is A. Philosophical, B. Sociological, C. Psychological, and D. All of these. So again, it's a very easy question. The basis of curriculum construction is option number D, all of these. Coming to the last question of this MCQ session, which principle is not part of curriculum construction? Option A, principle of broadness, option B, principle of utility, option C, principle of activity, and option D, principle of inherent principles. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C, principle of activity. So that's all for today. I hope you are revising things on a regular basis. Do a thorough study of your subject and prepare well. Keep yourself safe. Thank you, friends.